welcome to another video, and this is Ratnaka here. Today's video I'm going to show you the panniers of the Tiger 660 which I bought it earlier. The panniers have been installed to the bike long before I was going to the trip, but I couldn't make any video that time because I was in a hurry. So while installing the panniers I did some mistakes. Then I thought it was okay, but now when I am again trying to fit the panniers, it's not going well, so we need to adjust a bit. And yes, here are the panniers which cost you a bomb, like 51,000 for these panniers. And this is how it looks from the front side. We have a Triumph logo here, and in this pannier you'll get some fittings that need to be fitted. And as you know, I am staying 400 kilometers away from the showroom. I just ordered there and fitted it myself. And these panniers are not from Bangalore because Bangalore showroom doesn't have stock, and I have been asking them since 2-3 months at least, and they have not revealed me the price as well for the 2-3 months. So I decided to call Kochi Triumph, and they shipped it to my home. And the experience with Kochi Triumph is pretty well actually compared to the Bangalore Kirti Triumph. Okay, that's a part. With the panniers you will get couple of supports which need to be fitted to the bike. The key for the pannier lock is same key as your bike key. These locks will be given to you at time of bike delivery, and 3 sets of keys will be given, 1 for top box and 2 for both the panniers. So you need to set this lock to your panniers that you have purchased. Can you see this gap here? When you close the panniers with some luggage, if there is more rain or crossing a water stream, the water may enter from this gap. Not totally, maybe you can feel that wet on the clothes from these gaps. Yes, I will show you how to install, and I'll make some corrections for the supports that I have installed it before. And these are the supports for the panniers which you will get with the bike itself, so there is no need to purchase any extra frames there. And these are the supports that will be given with the panniers. You need to install it with the nut bolt system which is fitted here, see. And the mistake I have done with the installation part is, and you see these 2 supports which need to be fitted to the frames that have been given on the bike. And here the support will be supporting the panniers from the bottom side. Mistake I have done with these are, when I insert those supports into the bike, I need to push the panniers forward so that it will lock. But now I have to push it very hard, and I can't even lock the panniers there because the support system here should be placed towards front side by at least 2 to 3 mm. So that's the mistake I have done now. Now I have to remove those supports and I will move it forward. So this is the pannier support, and so we need to loosen it up now and push this support to the front side by 2 to 3 mm so that the pannier sits easily. And now yes, it's loosened up. See, it was in this standard, only just 2 to 3 mm was making so much huge difference here. So I'll push it to the front side and try to insert the pannier so that I can able to understand how good it comes. Here you go. And this, I think the pannier has been set, and now I have to tighten these screws so that it can fit perfectly tight. And look at this is the lock that goes into the chassis here, so that when you have locked the key, no one can remove the panniers from the bike. See here, this will not be open. This is the lock. When you put the key and unlock it, unlock the button, yes, just pull it back. Yes, So in order to put the panniers on the bike, just support the bottom like this and push the panniers inside the rack. Yes, and push it. Yes. Now to lock the panniers to the bike, you need to push this button. Now lock the key and it's locked. Now you can't remove this without the key. And now you have to tighten these screws, and the procedure is repeated on both the sides. And this is how panniers look on the bike. So here these are the genuine Triumph panniers. I thought that it will be very easy to fit in and take out, but those are not up to the mark, and according to my opinion it could have been much better for what we are paying for. Rather than having those saddlebags, these panniers are better, but Triumph panniers are not up to the mark for Tiger 660, so please do check out before buying those. And one more thing for the panniers, and look at this part, you have an extra accessories for these panniers as well. Those are called infills, which basically match to your bike color. So you have three colors: gray, blue and red, and it's an extra 15,000 for those infills where you will get for both the panniers. As the bike is in dual colors, both gray and black, I just don't want to waste my money on the infills. And yes, this is how the panniers is, and let's open the panniers from here and you can see from this point of view how it looks. To open the panniers, just unlock the key, and this button is for unlocking the panniers from the bike, but to open the panniers you just need to unlock the key and pull this up. It's open now. And I don't think your full face helmet will fit into this, but an off face helmet can easily. These are not even strong enough, I guess, but it's a maximum you can load up to 5 kg, and though maybe good enough for a week. As I told you, for our ride it was good enough, but we are carrying an extra bag also on this luggage rack. Basically this luggage rack is for top box, which I have not purchased. Maybe I will do it for next ride, for the next big ride, not for the small rides. And to close the panniers, just need to close it and press this down on this and take the key out.